So watch this video, then we will visit the comment section. Let's see what Nigerians have for us there.
This is going to be day 3 of me talking to the camera. So, well, go on guys, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are okay. So I don't really have much to say. The first video I posted, the comments was mad and crazy. So people said I sound like a fucking dragon. Some people said I sound like skies, which is my god.
We will visit the comment section. Let's see what Nigerians have for us there. So, ne or na? Perhaps ne na. Actually, Igwe, how do you mourn, sir? You get headache for your throat. She shout Jesus. Jesus say, you swallow JBL. Comment, oh Jesus. Nigeria will not kill somebody. Jesus say, ne, you be transblender. Never has taken their life. Voila. Finally, somebody with my voice. I'm not alone. Okay. I need you to help me use this voice. Swear for someone, please. This was a view. My iPhone don't spoil. Really good. Just read the remaining one. The other person say, Emmanuel, come out from that body. Oh Jesus, it is well. Comment.